Hi Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Happy Valentine's Day to you, and welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Libra, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Libra, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection. The energy reading for Valentine's Day, February 2021. Let's see what we have here for your energy, Libra. Okay, so let's look at into your person energy here. Also Libra, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you. If this message does not resonate with you, Libra, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's begin the reading here, Libra. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here, Libra, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong Virgo energy coming up here as well. So Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, as well as Aquarius energy. So another air sign here, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So you could have any of these signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of these signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look at into your energy here, Libra. It's quite interesting first of all because I've got the Hermit energy coming up for both of you here, Libra. So I feel like this low communication at this point of time is something that either both of you have agreed on, or both of you kind of like having this confusion and indecisiveness energy, like should I reach out, should I not reach out? So that kind of energy is what I'm getting strongly coming out from you and your person here. Now looking at your energy here, Libra, I've got the Hermit, I've got the Chariot energy, and then I've also got the World card coming up here. So it's quite interesting because with this World energy, I've also got the overall energy coming up here is the death or the rebirth energy coming up here as well. So what do I mean by this here is that I'm getting like a very strong transformation or rebirth process coming up in your life at this point of time here, Libra. So some of you here could be going through a tower moment or just going through a breakthrough moment, I would say here, that this breakthrough moment is finally like you are refinding yourself, I would say here, refinding your true essence, I would say here, refinding your soul purpose, basically like rebuilding your life from a stable and solid foundation, I would say here, Libra. So it's quite interesting because the World and the Death card coming up here, a completion of a cycle as well as the beginning of a new one. So it's quite interesting here because I've also got the Four of Cups energy coming up. Oh wow, look at this, I've got the Hierophant literally flew for you here, Libra. So you are also at this point of time is currently going through an awakening. So this is what I mean, like a very strong breakthrough energy coming up in your life here. So yeah, you are definitely currently going through a breakthrough moment here, Libra. So now looking at the Four of Cups energy and this Hermit card coming up here. So what has been happening here, Libra, is that you have been overthinking a lot, I would say here, or you've been like thinking, okay, should I do this, should I not do that, especially when it comes into the communication, because the Hermit card coming up here is basically talking about a period of no communication, or at least at this point of time there is not much communication going on between you and your person, I would say here. So it's quite interesting because with this World energy coming up here, so you are basically being advised to take the first step, I would say here, Libra, because like basically ending all of this Hermit energy, basically like closing up this chapter where the communication between both of you at this point of time is currently on the standing still energy here. And it's quite interesting because then I've got the Chariot movement coming up here. Then like at this point of time, the only blockage or the only delay at this point of time between you and your person energy here is that this Hermit card. So this is basically like both of you have come to this particular decision, or both of you are currently in this Hermit mode here. So you are some of you here do not want to take the first step to communicate, or basically like you do not know whether it's time, it's a good time to communicate, like something like that. At the same time also your person is also thinking the same. Should I do this? Should I not do that? What if I communicate with them and then they will just like be ignoring me coming up here? So both of you are currently in this hermit mode. Both of you are currently going through a self-realization, I would say here. So it's like the hermit mode is that stepping back from the outside world again, like I said, a breakthrough movement, like refinding yourself, and all of those combined here is actually currently going on between you and your person energy, I would say here, Libra. So for things to actually move on between both of you here, and it will, I've got the Chariot energy coming up here, so things are definitely going to take off between you and your person, and there's definitely going to be a new beginning coming up here. But first of all, what you need to focus on here is that closing up some chapter in your life, like finally closing up the chapter. Do not revisit anything from your past, and finally making peace for whatever had happened between you and your person, whatever had happened within yourself in the past, like childhood trauma, emotional trauma, past trauma, and you know, all those stuff here. So that's it for your energy here, Libra. So let's look at into your person energy again. Like I said, the Holy King or the Hermit mode coming up here, the Eight of Cups coming up here, and then I've also got the Star energy coming up here. So let's start with this Holy King energy coming up here. I do feel like at this point of time, your person here, Libra, with this Hermit mode, is not only that they are stepping back from, you know, like from you, or at least from this connection temporarily, I would say here, but they are currently stepping back from everything that is currently going on in their life, I would say here. Like this is the time that they're finally reprioritizing, or at least rearranging their life, I would say here. So with this Hermit mode coming up here, I do feel like your person has come to, at least has, you know, like has gotten some sort of like realization or awakening energy, I would say here, especially as you can see here with this Lamb energy. So like they finally found the light, I would say here, that they finally found the true meaning of this connection, I would say here, Libra. So for those of you who haven't find the true meaning, and you know, like realizing the true essence of this connection here, they will, because at this point of time they are in this mood like of seeking. They're actually seeking the reason, they're actually seeking the meaning of what is currently going on in their life and what is currently going on with this connection here, like a very strong seeking energy coming up from your person here. Now this seeking energy is what going to be leading them to the realization of needing to heal, I would say here, healing and cleansing energy with this Star energy. So this is like going to be a huge cleansing moment for you and your person, because both of you are going through the same moment at this point of time. Both of you are almost mirroring each other, I would say here, Libra. So definitely a wonderful energy to begin with, I would say here. Now what will happen after they go through the seeking moment? I've got the Eight of Cups energy. So this is them finally coming to this realization that some things in their life are quite toxic, I would say here, or some things in their life here is basically no longer benefiting for them and no longer for the highest good here. So the moment they come to that particular realization, this is the moment that they're finally going to walk away from anything that's no longer serving them, from anything that's no longer benefiting towards them here. This is also including some sort of like karmic situation or third party situation here. And then the advice card that I've got for you and your person here, Libra, I've got the action energy coming up here. Now is the perfect time to act. Take inspired action towards your dream. Move forward with confidence. And then the overall energy I've got here is freedom. Live wild and free. Choose your freedom and choose your independence. So it's quite interesting because, wow, I completely forgot about this. The overall energy from your person here is the Ten of Pentacles. Again, a new beginning in terms of the connection, where both of you are finally going to be together, like reaching out the emotional fulfillment, I would say here, having a happy home, happy family, happy relationship coming up here. You see with this Ten of Pentacles. At this point of time here, with this action energy and the freedom energy here, is that both you and your person are currently being advised to take action. Stop being in this hermit mode. Like this is already the time that finally both of you need to come outside of this hermit mode. You need to do the first step first, and then after that your person will be mirrored from this energy. So this is the time that both of you need to need to walk away from this hermit energy and finally taking the necessary action to both freeing yourself. Yeah, taking the necessary action towards both of your freedom is what I'm getting here, Libra. So that's it for your energy. I hope it resonates for you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in your next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.